Okay, so first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. My name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. The point of the video is to kind of show you how you can increase the value of your company online. Content, backlinks, and citations play a major factor in that. And I came across this because I was looking for AC contractors in Fayetteville and I stumbled upon this M Mechanical and noticed he didn't have a website. So I wanted to explain a little bit how this works. Maybe you do or don't know. But anyway, of course, everything you type in right here into Google, these are considered keywords. And Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search criteria, search engine optimization. And, Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords and then categorizes those websites based on their content. Typically, you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. So to explain a little bit, of course, you have the ads, you have the map area or the map pack. Ranking here is directly related to citations and your Google business profile and the area in which you cover. Um, Everything under the map is considered organic ranking. So if you ever wondered, excuse me, how does somebody get on the first page of Google? Aside from Angie and Yelp and advertisements like this, it comes down to backlinks, content, keywords. So with that being said, I can explain a little bit of what's going on here. I typed in AC contractor Fayetteville. I did not see M Mechanical or Electric LLC for air conditioning contractors having a site. So I came down here to pick a site and show you how this works. So I got Fayetteville HVAC right here, which is Carolina Comfort and Air. So this would be their website here, of course. And what I have is I have a tool at my disposal. I use this tool so I can see the behind the scenes of what's going on with websites and how they rank and how you get yourself onto the first page. It's a little bit of explanation to this. I did say backlinks. Now, backlinks are important. It's a major ranking factor. A backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your site from another. It builds popularity. Google uses that for rank. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to keep that in mind. You wouldn't want a backlink from Pizza Hut or Food Line or something down the road from you linking back to your business. It doesn't carry as much weight as another AC company will. Just to kind of take a look, when it comes to backlinks, you want a strong domain rank and you want plenty of traffic. This one right here is doing nothing for them. Nothing for them. Not all backlinks are created equal. Another thing we have going on that plays a key factor is referring domains, 283 domains connected to them. They also have keywords. This is where this comes into play. Anything you type into Google is considered a keyword in the search content. They have almost 2,000 keywords, and that's generating almost 2,500 views a month just based off of the keyword factor that they have going on. Understand every time a keyword or phrase is typed in search, this is the volume per month. So monthly volume on this. Raleigh NC HVAC 300 times, Clayton AC 350, HVAC Raleigh 300. You can have a play on words here. It all depends on how the user types it in or what particular party is typing in and how they type in the keyword they're looking for. Fayetteville, North Carolina AC repair 200, HVAC repair Raleigh. Here we go, Raleigh HVAC 400. So collectively, when these are all combined per month, that is your exposure rate to potential clients and customers. And that will just generate a lot more sales for you. So when you understand how that works, you could see that you're generating a lot of views per month, almost 3,000 views a month just based on the keywords. I took another competitor as well that was in there. We have day and night. They came in at number 6, just to give you a slight comparison. 519 backlinks, 126 domains, 430 keywords, 353 a month on traffic. So if you were looking to build yourself a website for M Mechanical and Electrical, you would need 430 keywords or more to rank above him. His keywords plus more. 519 backlinks, you can have all them as well, plus an additional 100 if you wanted to put that on top of that. That would generate more trust and more recognition in Google's eyes and move you up the rank structure. See, once Google sees your business being referenced more often than the competitors, the more likely it is that you're going to bring value, and it'll move you up the rank structure and put you right here within this top page or within this first page. Most people don't go past the first page of Google, so you want to try to get right here in the top of the maps with citations and your area coverage. And that of course will generate a lot of local traffic. That'll create more leads, and that will become sales. So, I mean, once you put all this together, your content and your backlinks, citations, and you start to outrank, you quickly see the value of your business start to grow. With that being said, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that was insightful. If you ever wondered, how do people get on Google? It's really important to have a well-built website. It's like I say, anyone can build a website, but without the right content, it's kind of like having a business card on a desert island. Nobody will see it. So if you find yourself wanting some more information, and you want me to do some research and look around and dig around for what's realistic for your business, or M Mechanical Electrical, if that's what you want to do, that's not a problem. Also, all things considered, you can use this as well for Southern Boy baggers. The same scenario for building a website if you were looking to build a site for that on the first page of Google as well. All right, thanks. Have a nice night.